Hello, how are you? Today we're going to repair this Bluetooth speaker that won't charge. So what could the problem be? As you can see, I've connected the charger. The red light that used to come on during charging does not light up at all. But when I press the power button, the blue light turns on and the speaker works perfectly with sound. Now, the first thing to check in any charging problem is the battery. As you can see, it reads 3.84 volts. If it were below 3V, we might need to revive it. So the battery is not the problem. Next, let's take out the main board and examine it separately. With the board free, I'll connect the charger again. Using my multimeter, I'll check the first leg of the charger pin for 5 volts. As you can see, we have a solid 5V reading. This means the charger pin is working correctly and power is reaching the board. So the problem is not the charging port. Called the charging IC. This chip manages the charging. I'll check the input pin of the IC. Yes, 5V is going in. But when I check the output pin, which should send power to the battery, there is 0V. So 5 volts goes in, but nothing comes out. This is a clear sign that the charging IC has failed. The solution is to replace the IC. I have a donor board here. Replacing it, we need to be careful with temperature. I'll set my hot air station to 380 degrees Celsius and airflow to about 3.5. This is ideal for removing small ICs without damaging the board. If we set it too high, like 500 degrees Celsius, we could damage the board or nearby components. I'll apply some flux to help the solder melt. Then heat it evenly and lift the old IC off with tweezers. Now I'll place the new IC carefully, making sure all the legs are aligned properly. After soldering, I'll clean the area with thinner to remove any flux residue. Most of the time, the Bluetooth speaker charging IC fails. So, if we measure 5 volts on the charging pin, in 90% of cases the problem is the charging IC. Once it has cooled down, let's test it. I'll connect the charger again, and look, the red light is now on. This is exactly what we wanted to see. Now let's reconnect the battery and check again. As I connect the charger, the red light stays on steadily, and the battery is now charging properly. The repair is successful. Thank you for following along with this repair. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to All-in-One Electronics.